Hello, my name's Chris. Welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. Thank you very much for joining me. It's really much appreciated. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be something slightly different from the normal ones. I'm not actually going to show you how to play a song. I'm going to show you a trick that you can do with the capo. Rather than just use it in the usual way, I'll show you what I mean. Capo I'm using is a G7th capo. Really good capo. If you want one of these, I'll leave a link below so you can click on it and buy one if you want. Entirely up to you. But if you've got your capo, got your guitar, got my cup of tea as well, you don't need this. It is optional. But right, normally when you use a capo, you use it and you cover all the strings, don't you? But what we're going to do today, what I'm going to show you today, is a way of not covering all the strings, but leaving certain strings open. So for example, if I was to put this capo on the 2nd fret, but cover the first 5 strings, but leave the top E, the low E, should I say, open, then you get, it's a bit like a drop D tuning, but without actually retuning. So you get a nice full sound. And in a gig, I think I used that on 2 songs. This sort of thing. One of them is Candle in the Wind by Elton John, so that would go something like. The song. And another song I use that on is Different for Girls by Joe Jackson. And so that goes. So you can see how that could be useful playing those sort of songs, and that is with the capo covering the first 5 strings, leaving your open E open. Right, so we can also, if you're familiar with the caged system, then that was a D. So the next one in the caged is C. So what we do, we go to the 4th fret, do the same thing again. So we've got the capo on the 4th fret, leaving the open E open. The open E open, that makes sense. So that sounds good with like a C chord. As you can see, and here. Just remember though, if you do play an E chord, to dampen the top E string, because it doesn't sound right, that does it? So you just need to. Right, so that's on the 4th fret. The next one, we can do it on the 7th fret. And the next letter in the cage system is A, the A shape. So 7th fret, we'll try the 7th fret rather than the 6th. So that sounds a lot better. And I'm just making these up, just doing simple chord progressions, but with the A shape, you've got that. They're playing an E, actually playing an E chord with the open E. So. Right, and then you can even go to the 9th fret. So C, A, G. So the 9th fret, hang on, let me just get that. And that is. So you normally play a G shape like that, but with this open E, it gives a bit. So that's just a few ideas with the low E string open. The beauty of this capo, and any other capo that is like this, is you can also leave the high string open, the high E string open, which gives you quite a few more options. So if we do the 2nd fret, so now I've got the high E open, so I'm just covering the 2nd to the 6th strings. So it sounds nice with a chord progression like a C. So I'll get a bit closer to the camera there. So that's the open E. Sounds a bit like Wherever You May Go. So similar chord progression: C, A minor, F. Right. So we move it up a fret to the 3rd fret. You can see I'm going to go through the frets here. I'll just go quickly through them. So this sounds good with an E, B7 and an A chord progression. So sounds alright. Right, on the 4th fret, try it again. I'm going to move up to this one. So now, that sounds a bit bad. Let's just pull this back a bit. There we go. So the 4th fret, that's it. That's the C major 7, so it gives it a bit of sort of dissonance. Sounds okay, that. Like I said, these are just ideas that might just make that guitar sound a little bit more different. Just, you know, might sort of catch the ear. Yeah, so we'll try the 5th fret. Now on the 5th fret, another one on the 4th fret was, let's go back to the 4th, was like a, sounds a bit like Here Comes the Rain Again by the Eurythmics, or was it Annie Lennox? I can't remember. I know she sang it. So that's just the A sus sort of shape, but the open E gives it like a minor, it gives it the minor sound. Very sort of mysterious sound to that. I like that sound either. Yeah. So now we'll move up to the 5th fret. So you got those two octaves. So like a nice E minor. that sound? Sounds a bit like Zombie, that sort of chord progression. And you can also do a C, A minor, F and G. Like I've done that on a few of the frets, haven't I? But and that's your open E. Sounds like the Manics, doesn't it, that? Yeah, so there's all sorts of little tricks you can do. I've just figured that out now. When I practiced this before, I didn't even think of that one. So yeah, just experiment is the main thing. Oh, cheers anyway. 6th fret, I tried using the 6th fret and it sounds absolutely terrible. It really does. It sounds, no chords can. Sounds like the beginning of Starman maybe, I don't know. But then you'd have to play it in like D flat minor or some weird key. So no, 6th fret for me personally is out. You give it a whirl. Yeah, you might find something that you like. So the 7th fret. So capo on the 7th fret, high E string open. There we go. And that's just simple. One finger. Right, so hopefully there's a few ideas for you there just to have a mess about. Like I said, if you're having a strum along, if you're doing acoustic gigs and you just want to make your guitar sound a little bit more different just than the usual one, could be an idea. Could be something that you could work on, something you could experiment with. And like I said, the 2 songs that I do in my sort of set list, which is Candle in the Wind and Different for Girls by Joe Jackson, which is using the capo on the 2nd fret, using the high E open. It saves using the drop D tuning, and you don't have to alter the chord shapes when you're doing that. Just remember when you're playing an E shape to dampen the E string, or else it will sound out of tune. It will sound horrible, it will sound disgusting. So right, it's gone on a bit now, it's about 14 minutes. So I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you very much again for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like and give it a subscribe and give it a share as well. And if you think, you know what, I'll buy him a beer or even a tea bag, blah. Yep, if you want to do that, there's a PayPal link so you can send me some money and I will turn it into tea bags. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Hope you're all staying safe. This video was recorded during the COVID-19 outbreak in 2020. We're in June 2020 now. So things are slowly getting back to normal. Hope you're all staying safe. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And just one more thing, as Columbus used to say. If you've got any ideas for songs that you want to do, or if you want a lesson on the 2 songs that I mentioned in the video, the Candle in the Wind or Different for Girls, feel free to leave a comment in the comments box below, or any other ideas you've got, any criticisms, any ideas Yeah, just leave them in the comments box, and yeah, I will take note of them. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.